In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to adjust dates so they display in the style you prefer, whether that's month first, day first, or even a fully customized format. First, open your Google Sheet and locate the cells that contain the dates you want to change. This can be a single cell, a whole column, or a selection of different cells. Click and drag to highlight all of the relevant cells. It's always a good idea to double-check that these values are actually stored as dates and not just plain text. If they're aligned to the right by default, that usually indicates Google Sheets recognizes them as dates. With your date cells selected, go up to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Format. This is where Google Sheets keeps all of its formatting tools. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Number. A side menu will open, showing you different ways your data can be displayed, such as plain text, numbers, currency, and so on. In that Number submenu, you'll see a section specifically for dates. You can choose one of the preset date formats here, like a short numeric date, or a longer, more descriptive format that includes the month name. As soon as you click a format, your selected cells will update instantly, so you can see the change right away on your sheet. If none of the preset options match exactly what you need, you can create something more precise. In the same Number submenu, look for the More Formats option. Then choose More Date and Time Formats. This opens a new window where you have much finer control. Here, you'll see an example date along with elements like day, month, and year that you can rearrange. Click on any element to change how it appears. For example, switching from a numeric month to a full month name, or from a 2-digit year to a 4-digit year. You can also type in separators like dashes, slashes, or spaces to match local or organizational styles. As you adjust these elements, keep an eye on the sample preview so you can confirm it looks exactly the way you want. When you're satisfied with your custom layout, click Apply. All of the selected cells will update to use this new date format, while the underlying dates themselves remain the same. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the date format in Google Sheets and can now present your data in a way that's clear, consistent, and tailored to your needs.